In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a lead in CRM Zoho. Let's get started from the very beginning so you can follow along step by step. First, open your browser and log in to your Zoho CRM account. Once you're in, take a look at the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. Among the different options, you should see one labeled Leads. This is the module where all your potential customers or prospects are stored. Go ahead and click on the Leads tab to open that section. When the Leads module loads, you'll see a list of any leads that already exist in your system, along with filters and views. To create a brand new lead, look for the button that says Create Lead. Depending on your layout, this might appear as a full button labeled Create Lead or as a simple plus icon, usually near the top right corner of the page. Both options do the same thing, so click on whichever you see. This opens the lead creation form. Now you're ready to enter the lead's details. You'll see a form with multiple fields such as name, company, email, phone number, and possibly others like lead source, industry, or status, depending on how your Zoho CRM is customized. Start by filling in the key contact information. Add the lead's name and their company so you can easily identify who they are and where they work. Then enter their email address and phone number so your sales team can follow up later. If there are additional fields like lead source, it's a good idea to complete those as well. For example, you might choose whether this person came from a website form, a trade show, a referral, or a marketing campaign. Filling in these details now helps you track where your leads are coming from and which channels are most effective. Take a moment to double-check that everything you've typed is accurate and properly formatted, especially email addresses and phone numbers. Once you're satisfied with the information, move to the bottom of the form. You'll see options to either save or save and new. Click Save if you're done and just want to add this single lead to your CRM. If you have several leads to enter one after another, choose Save and New. That will save the current lead and immediately open a fresh form so you can keep adding more without going back to the list each time. And that's it. You've successfully added a lead in Zoho CRM.